Hey folks, here Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to yet another Thursday live stream. Let me just check whether it is on or not. All right, yes. So welcome to our Thursday live stream. Just let me check on Insta whether it's showing live or not. Not showing live on Insta. No. Okay. Anyways, chal, no worries. So as usual, today we're going to start off with what happened with the market today. But before that, let me just share something with you all. Anyone who uses TradingView, again, this is not a paid promotion for TradingView, but anyone who uses TradingView and does use a lot of indicators, then this is something important for you all. The Black Friday sale is going on for TradingView. And if you have a look at this, you can just say, just last 1 day remaining, 1 day, 15 hours. When you go to explore offers, you can see Essential, Plus, and Premium plan. I use the current plan. I use the Plus plan, but right now it's like 18,000 for both. So I may upgrade. Anyways, it's like same for both. So there's a possibility because here we have 40% discount. Here it's 70% discount. So that's how it is for the Black Friday sale right now. So anyone who is wanting to consider whether you want to have a paid version for TradingView or not, I've given the link in the description box as well, in the comment section as well. We'll pin it up, so you can. That's just, of course, that's an affiliate link, but this per se is not a paid promotion. I use TradingView a lot, so I have my own affiliate link here as well. Okay, so with that, let's get started. First and foremost, very important point as to what's wrong with Nifty today. It was up almost 50 to 70 points, and there was a crash of almost, like, no, crash is not a correct word. There's a sharp fall of almost 200 points, 200 plus points within no time. So we are going to discuss about what were the factors because of which there was this fall. Why is there? My camera is not focusing. Yes, better now. Okay. So we are going to talk about the sharp fall. Why did that happen? Question is, TradingView or Screener, which is better? Oh, both serve totally different purposes. Screener is amazing. I use that for fundamental analysis though. And TradingView is again amazing, and I use that for technical analysis. Okay. Both have good features in free version as well. But if you want to go a little bit deeper and you want to save on some time, then paid versions are good. So that is the reason why I have a paid version for both TradingView as well as Screener. Okay. Chalo. Abhishek says, Harkar Investor session was energetic and I was so happy to meet you in person. Yes, thank you, Abhishek. Yes, and thank you everyone for those who attended and those who made this event really special. Oh, kya baat hai. Atul says, hello teacher, I won the quiz at the first ever live event. Wow. So good to know that, Atul. Wow, thank you. I should not say thank you, but I felt like saying that right now for sharing this feedback, right? Because for me also it was such a special thing. I have been doing YouTube since 2019, but doing a live stream for my YouTube subscribers, for doing a live session, again I said live stream only, doing a live session for my YouTube and my overall social media subscribers, that too in my hometown, that was super special. So maza aa gaya. It was a super energetic event, definitely. So good to know that you attended that. We have already planned 2 more events, yet to finalize the dates though, but one is going to happen. The next one may happen either in Mumbai or in Bangalore. We are searching some good auditoriums, because Pune got sold out. 500 auditorium got sold out in, like, just immediately after last Thursday live stream. I announced, and next morning it was sold out. So we are planning to have a little bit bigger capacity, somewhere around 800. So those who are from Mumbai or are from Bengaluru, and if you know that yes, there is this good auditorium which is centrally located and minimum 500 capacity, 800 should be good, then please help us to find a good location. 9022196678 is our office WhatsApp number. So anyone who is either from Mumbai or Bengaluru would love if you can share your insights on which could be a centrally located auditorium, and would love to come in your city and take our Har Ghar investor uh, at different locations live, face to face. Oh, that was crazy. And I mean, meeting with PM Modi sir was super amazing. His energy at the age of 73 was infectious. Very charismatic person, I must say that. And I'll also share this. I mean, while I went to meet him, there were a lot of army people who were there and who were checking the IDs and were checking if our name is in the list or not. Uh, and it was so heartwarming to see that so many army officers recognized me and they said, Rachana ma'am, we watch your channel. And we started our first ever SIP after checking a few of your videos around mutual funds. So I think that is what was the aim of this whole dream of Har Ghar investor. So of course, meeting our prime minister is so special. I can't even express my feeling in words, but I'll definitely see. I can definitely say that when I saw a lot of army officers and army, those who serve our nation, I'm able to serve them in some way or the other by helping them with their finances. I think that was a very special feeling for me. I must say that. So that was a small experience from my session, right? From this meeting. क्या बात है, Aniket, you also attended it. Super informative session, enjoyed, learned a lot, worth coming all the way from Mumbai. Oh, Aniket, you came down from Mumbai. Kya baat hai. Thank you. Anuj says dates, please, so that I can book the tickets. We are yet to figure out the auditorium. Once we get to know this is the good auditorium, we will definitely, I'll announce the dates. No second thoughts on that. Rakesh says, Rachana ma'am, my portfolio is in positive. Thanks for your knowledge. Pleasure. Thank you. Hope you are doing it only and only from the long-term perspective, right? Kya baat hai. Rajesh has gifted 5 memberships. Thank you, Rajesh. You always show that sweet gesture of sharing knowledge by gifting memberships. And I'm sure anyone who gets this knowledge will definitely thank you, Rajesh, for that. Also, it's 28th today. This Saturday, I'm going to announce the stock of the month for December 2024. Again, it's a video which is almost 40-45 minutes long video, and I'm sure you will get to learn a lot about that company. It's about an NBFC again, but a totally different perspective for an NBFC. It's a rural focus NBFC. A concept of securitization is something which I've not talked a lot on my YouTube channel or any of the social media platforms for that matter. But the concept of securitization is what I've explained in absolute detail. So anyone who is wanting to learn more and more, I think this month's stock of the month is also worth watching. So you can check out our Pro Investor memberships. Pooja, if you can just post the Pro Investor membership link also, you can definitely, anyone who is wanting to enroll for that, you can just click and enroll. Okay. Chalo. So with that, let me quickly share my screen. Kya bata hai? I can see almost 750 plus people watching this live stream on Instagram as well. Kya baat hai? Very nice. So let me share the screen. First, I'm going to quickly tell you about the overall Nifty view. Everyone focus. Next 2-3 minutes are really important. So this is about how overall Nifty has performed in the last few days. You can see this is a clear-cut case of a downtrend, right? You can see a high, low, a lower high, a lower low, another lower high, another lower low. And here you could see that there was a nice gap up opening. And why was this gap up? It was this green candle. If you remember, this was a Friday ka green candle, and then followed by this candle, which was because of the Maharashtra election. Okay, so a nice candles back to back, 2 candles which came up because of positive result in the Maharashtra election. After that, markets moved in a sideways trend, and today, if you can see, there was this big red candle. Market was down almost 1.5%. Now we have to understand 3 key reasons why did that happen. So I've just put up all those reasons on screen. Everyone focus what could be the key reasons for this. Number one, IT companies corrected today because of the uncertainties over the trajectory of US interest rate cuts. Now, for those who track US markets data also, you might be aware that there was uh, a conviction which was built amongst the players that yes, US may cut interest rates slowly and steadily now. But because of the inflation data that came up in the US, uh, it was it was found that there could be some delays in the interest rate cuts, and that is the reason why that was not taken very positively by the IT companies, and that was the reason why be it Infosys, be it TCS, HCL Tech Mahindra, Wipro, all these got a beating today. Okay. Second thing you might be aware about Russia Ukraine, and you might be aware, I think a few days ago, it was Ukraine who had used UK and US weapons, and they had used these weapons to, uh, I think they were missiles which were launched on Russia, and Russia retaliated, and Russia has, again, attacked Ukraine with 90 missiles and 100 drones. So, of course, any fresh trigger in geopolitical tensions that is not taken positively by the market, and that was the reason why today we saw markets reacting in a negative way. Third news is something which is pretty, a big question is being raised for insurance companies. Not at all a positive news for insurance companies. And I'll quickly tell you what this news is all about. You can see HDFC Life, SBI Life stocks tumbled over 6% amid, again, these are reports. This is not sure, but these are reports of IRDAI plans to introduce cap on insurance business emerging from banks. Oh, now what is this? So I'll tell you typically what happens is that. So first, let me just explain the logic, and then I'll come back to this screen. Typically, what happens is that insurance companies do receive a lot of business from banks. And how does that happen? So I'll give you a simple example. Assume I am SBI Life. Now, for me, I have to get customers, and I can get customers from a major source, which is SBI. Correct? If a customer comes in SBI, if a customer walks into any branch of SBI, there's a great possibility that the branch staff may pitch the customer about insurance, and that person gets diverted to me being SBI Life in our example. Okay. So for SBI Life, a lot of business is generated from bank. Okay, that is called as bank assurance, right? Let's take another example. Assume I'm HDFC Life. For HDFC Life, a lot of insurance business is generated from HDFC Bank. Okay, any customer walks into HDFC Bank, they may cross-sell this product to the customer and may divert that customer to me, which is HDFC Life. Now, what has been mentioned is that our finance minister Nirmala ji said that there could be possibilities of mis-selling. Now, what do we mean by mis-selling? Selling an insurance which may not be required by that person. The type of insurance could not be correct. Now, so if you ask me, I have always been an advocate of term insurance policies. I've always been very vocal about this, that ideally investments and insurance should not be mixed. They should be kept separate. Term insurance is a type of insurance which is absolutely available at a cheaper price, right? So let's assume that a term insurance is not pitched, and let's say some sort of ULIP or some other sort of insurance plan is pitched to the customer, is sold to the customer, which brought in some additional burden for that customer. So to curb all these practices, it is said that there are chances that a rule can come up that insurance companies can have not more than 50% of their business from bank assurance, from banks. Okay. So to put in simple words, assume that I'm the insurance company and I'm getting 100 rupees worth business. Not more than 50 rupees worth of business can come from banks. Now it is important to see that currently how much business do insurance companies get from banks. I'll take you back to that article. Now, if you see, I'm sure you are also going to be like, oh my God, this is going to be big. Now, what does the report add? The report added, I'm just zooming the screen so that you can see it very clearly. The report also said that, here it is. Sorry. Report added that nearly 90% of SBI Life's business comes from State Bank of India. Okay. While up to 85% of HDFC Life's bank assurance business generates from HDFC Bank. Private sector lender Axis Bank contributes to 90% of Max Life's insurance total business. ICICI Bank's contribution to ICICI Prudential Life is nearly about 50%. This is a little bit okay. Okay, but others, it's like 90%, 85%, and 90%. And if a cap is brought at 50%, you can see a CNBC TV report said that the insurance regulator has reportedly asked, till now it's not confirmed, has reportedly asked insurance companies to reduce the share of their business originating from banks to 50% of their total sales. God, this can take a pretty much big hit on the business of insurance companies, and that was the reason why insurance companies have given a negative reaction to this news. So definitely we can see some pain in the insurance companies. So just wanted to share this news. Plus, if you ask me about Nifty, I've already told gap filling has happened for Nifty. So it'll be interesting to see from here what happens. Is it now that the gap has been filled, will it reverse or will it go sideways? So tomorrow's session is really, really important. Watch out for tomorrow's market, whether it's able to sustain at the gap level or does it break down, does it reverse from there or not, right? So with that, let's go to the questions. Oh, Max Planck says, you look drained. Revive, Rachana Tai. Thank you for your concern. I've been sneezing a lot today. So that is the reason why I might look a little bit drained, but I'm very fresh. Okay. Also would love to share some personal news with you all, that I'm going to run my first ever marathon this Sunday. It's a 5-kilometer marathon only. I know for a fact that I will not be able to run all 5 kilometers. I started this year in such a horrible stamina that if I were to run even 100 meters, I used to, pant like anything. So I was not able to run for even 100 or 200 meters. And starting Jan 2024, by the way, it was my New Year resolution that I'm going to focus on health. Maybe a little bit I'll try to improve my eating habits. This year I did Chaturmas, Navratri, Upas I did. So because of all these small changes, see, I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm yet to master it. I'm nowhere even close to mastering it. But I think everyone has to at least give an attempt, should try. And I feel really proud about myself. I mean, generally we hesitate saying such things. But yes, I will say this proudly because this is one area where I was pretty bad at. My health was not in the greatest of the conditions. Thankfully, with God's grace, it was not something like, some medical problem came up and because of which I chose something. No, thankfully not. But I think I just tried my level best to focus on my health and improve some habits. And that is the outcome is that I started with 100 meters running, 200 meters, and eventually day before yesterday, I was able to jog, not even run. Jogging is at the stage I am right now. And 3.5 kilometers I was able to jog. That is the highest that I have done in this year, which was like 2-3 days ago. So this Sunday, I plan to at least run for another 3.5 kilometers. Balance, I'm going to walk. I'm sure about that. But yes, that's my wholehearted try. Need your best wishes this Sunday. I want to run the Pune Marathon. Okay. Yes. Now let's take doubts. डर के आगे जीत है is what Sunil says. क्या बात है? Yeah. अच्छा. Max says run 50 meters, then walk 100 meters. I read it, run 50 kilometers. I was like, are you serious? Okay, run 50 meters, then walk 100 meters, then again run for 50 meters, just like that, do 2 kilometers every day. क्या बात है? Yes. We'll definitely try that, Max. People are saying all the best. Thank you. Oh, kya baat hai. Sushma says, I also attended the live session. It was great. Thank you, Sushma. Thanks for the feedback. You are inspiring and motivating to young generation of India. Right health is critical, required for enjoying the wealth. Congratulations for your efforts. Thanks a lot for that. Okay, with that, let's come. Kya baat hai. Hemanji has sent a super sticker. Thank you, Hemanji. Love the super stickers always. Will we have Santa Rally in December 24? Ooh, tough question. but typically that is what we have seen. I have a separate video on Santa Rally, by the way, for those who don't know the concept of Santa Rally. Pooja, just share the link of Santa Rally in the chat section. But yes, I think my gut feel is that, okay, I'll share something which I had not planned, but yes, I'll tell you my gut feel. We are in a correction which is pretty similar to what was happening in 2015, barring the Brexit point. What we had seen in 2015 was that Q3 results were also not that great. Okay. And market made its bottom somewhere around in February 2016. Okay. And after that, it started reversing. So if that be so, if it were to repeat, maybe Q3 may also be like sluggish, a little bit sluggish. And post that, if we can see some rally, it will be amazing. So let's see. But I don't feel that the pain will be more than 5 to 6 months. Higher and 5 to 6 months. 3-4 months should be okay, post which we should see some sort of strength coming back in the market. Till then, you have to keep your SIPs going. Every 500 points fall in Nifty, put some money in whichever stocks you like, which are fundamentally strong. Or if you're not sure about how to study good stocks, then you could go ahead with directly investing in something like a Nifty Bees, right? So I think that is what you should go ahead with. Don't stop investing is what I would want to say to everyone, right? I can get some questions on Instagram as well. Please share the membership link. Okay. Pooja, if you can share the membership link as well, right? All right. Any questions? Excite batteries is इसमें नहीं Ming double bottom, please see. Okay. What is Ming is ठीक है. Anyways, Excite batteries I'll check. On a daily time frame, there's no double bottom in Excite batteries in daily time frame at least. Oh wow, 1 minute. I might have done the analysis at some point in time, but very interesting. This is what? This is July. Oh, this is July 2011. This is 18. Then I'll just remove all these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very, very interesting. This is a monthly chart. 1, 2 broke out. And it's a clear retest. Wow, what a level to retest. Fantastic. Good volumes also coming in. Definitely worth adding to your watch list. Please, whenever markets are not in a great condition, I personally am of the opinion that whichever stock you're talking about, please don't go with that stock only by doing technical analysis. Also, make it a point to do some sort of fundamental analysis that will give you a little bit better comfort. Okay. But definitely worth adding to your watch list. Goldman Sachs sets 12 months Nifty 50 target at 27,000. Yes, I mean, we have to be there. See, 26,300. Typically, what we see is that if we were to bottom out, I'll show you 1 minute. I'll take you back to 15-16 ka chart which I was talking about. Let me go to Nifty, and we are anyways on a monthly candle. Yes, this is March 15. This is the low point that I was mentioning, right? This is the low point, which is Feb 16. And this was the previous high, Alt J. This was the previous high, which was taken out in March 17. Okay. But from here, from the lowest point till almost previous high, this point, there was a 25-26% rally in next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, straight 6 months rally. So if even our Q3 results are not that great, very similar point is what I can see. there are chances that we may see, what I have seen in the past is that when a lot of bad news keep on coming, that is where the markets keep on going down and down and down. And at one point in time, there's a Hindi dialogue ना, मरे हुए को कितना मारोगे, या फिर इतना भी मत मार, इतना भी मत डराओ कि डर ही खत्म हो जाए. ओहो, I forgot which movie it was. इतना भी मत डराओ साहब कि डर ही खत्म हो जाए. मेरी कौन was it? Maybe. If someone remembers, please tell me in the comment section. Okay. So that is exactly what happens in the market as well, right? At one point in time, market is like, इतने भी bad news मत मत देना कि एक दिन वो bad news का डर ही खत्म हो जाए. That is when actually bottom of the market, I mean, that's where the bottom is established, and typically markets actually try and bounce back from there. So one bad quarter is what we have seen. Another bad quarter, I think that should be more, that should be it. Nothing more than that. And post that, bulls should be back. Okay. Aniket is saying, before she gives any hint, hit the like button, smash the like button. As usual, let me share our amazing stats. I'm not sure on Insta if you can smash the like button. I'm so happy even right now. I mean, when I started checking on Insta, there were around 700 to 800 people. And even right now, there are 700 people who are watching. Kya baat hai? Very nice. But on YouTube, as usual, a very horrible ratio for views to likes. 2,400 people watching live on YouTube, and 579, 613 people have smashed the like button. Please, people, it's free of cost. I try my level best to bring in good level of knowledge for you all. So please smash the like button. Okay. Any other question? Oh, Abhishek says, we need you in tier 2, tier 3 cities. Hope Har Ghar Investor won't be limited to metro cities. Not at all, Abhishek. It is Har Ghar Investor. The only thing is that, see, I am from Pune. So I had to start from Pune. Then what I did is I checked my YouTube audience as well. So I just thought that I should cater the top 5 cities first, which form a major chunk of my YouTube audience because they have been following me for a long time, and a live in-person meeting to banta hai. So that is the only reason why we have taken 3 big cities in the beginning. Please don't, anyone who is watching this live stream, don't be under the impression that my Har Ghar Investor is only restricted to metros or big cities. Never ever. I am going to come down to tier 2 and tier 3 cities as well. The only thing that I mentioned right now is that, cities like Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, they are one of the top cities as far as my YouTube stats are concerned. So that is the reason why I'm visiting these cities as a priority. But yes, we'll visit other tier 2, tier 3 cities as well. Any online classes nearly? We have a website, rachanaranade.com, or you can also check out our app, Rachana Ranade. Best way is to visit rachanaranade.com. We'll also pin in the comment section. I wish to enroll for Invest in India community with yearly subscription. Also, I wish to complete the earlier completed challenges. How earlier challenges will be enabled for new members? Today only, finally, the tech team has come up with a new feature in Invest in India community, which is anytime challenges. So any community member can opt for any previous challenge at any point in time. We are just trying to figure out the tech part finally so that we can, incorporate it in Invest in India community. That should be done in another week or 10 days, ideally, right? So very excited for this, for Invest in India community's new anytime challenge on feature. So yes, Omkar, you can do that. Pooja, if you can just also paste the link of Invest in India community in the comment section, anyone who wants to apply for that as well. Can you look for Shanmukhanand Auditorium? Sion has larger capacity. Okay, anyone who is from Mumbai or from Bangalore would request you to share some good locations like this Shanmukhanand Auditorium, what she's saying. I'm again just sharing this on screen, 9022196678. If you know any good auditorium, please help us out with some options. Would love to explore that as well, right? Prasanna, you're a member for 55 months? Woohoo! Nice. I started my membership or 55 months ago or 56, 57, whatever. Kya baat hai, Prasanna? Very nice. So you've been a member since 2020. Superb. Nifty next support level, please. I forgot to tell that. Sorry. We'll quickly share, but the support levels remain the same. I'll share my screen and quickly tell you what are the next support levels. We'll share the entire screen. Just give me a second. This is where Nifty is right now. This is the support level. In fact, 23,900. If this is broken, tada, 23,300. Next support level is the same, 23,300. Now everyone has to remember these levels: 23,300 immediate next support, and then 500 points below 500, 500, 500, all these. So till now, 2 chunks out of my 5 chunks planned have already been invested in the market. One I had invested somewhere here at 23,900. Second, I have invested somewhere here 23,300 ke aspas. After that, it has reversed. So 2 chunks of my additional money have been invested in the market at these 2 levels. I hope you all are also putting some money in your favorite stocks, in your fundamentally strong stocks, or maybe directly in Nifty, right? Manjunath, planning in Hyderabad, Harkar investor. Yes, I am, but not as the second and third, but will plan in Hyderabad. That is also definitely one city on the cards. Small cap, mid cap are exactly facing resistance. Can you please confirm defense and chemical sector doing well? Is it better time to enter? Okay, small caps are definitely doing better as compared to Nifty. Mid caps and Nifty both are like okay. Small cap index looks a little bit better right now. Okay, but still because the market is a little bit cranky right now, would not be really so much excited for. I mean, I would not want to put in any money in a small cap right now. Right, that's my take. Defense chemical, of course. I mean, I am not very again bullish on chemical right away. Of course, specialty chemical is a sector which excites me, but still it is yet to prove itself as far as the numbers are concerned. If it is about defense, 100% yes. I mean, defense is a theme for the next few years. So don't get discouraged by small pullbacks. Defense is surely a theme for the next few years. Yes, I am planning in Bangalore. Anuj, I hope you are also answering few questions in the comments. Okay, defense stocks look good, especially BL. These stocks have seen volumes coming back again. Your opinion on BL for long term? Let us check the chart for BL. Okay, this is a daily time frame. Now, what can you see here is it was seeing a trend. Let me just show. This is like a high, a low, a lower high, a similar low, but a lower high, and kind of a lower low, whatever. Now, post this trend, there was a sideways trend. Let me also draw a parallel channel here. Now, post this, you can see the stock being stuck in this range for quite some time. Correct. Now, after this, it has actually broken outside this. So here, it broke out 1, 2, 3, came back in again. Now, what has happened right now? It has broken out with a confirmation candle, but today, again, red. Volumes are okay. Let us check for this one. The volumes are for this volumes was 39 million and average volume is 27 million. Not great volumes per se. Also, typically in such situations, when you want to find out, always remember how to find out next resistances for the stock. Check out which is the previous swing high. This is an analysis for any stock, I'm telling you. Okay, any stock, let's say which has let's say broken out of a channel. How do I find out the next resistance? Check out which is the previous swing high. This one, is it very close to the resistance line right now? Yes. Then what is the next resistance? Uska pehle ka swing high. Then what is the next resistance? Uska pehle ka swing high. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to find out support levels and resistance levels as well. All right. Please inform in advance if coming to Bangalore or Chennai so that I can book before it gets sold out like IRCTC. Tatkal ticket. Love this comment. Love this comment, Prabhas. I mean, yeah, thank you for that comment. Means a lot. But yeah, actually, that's what happened. I mean, last Thursday live stream, I announced, and morning when I got up, it was like this last one ticket remaining. I refreshed after like 10 minutes, sold out. So we'll definitely tell the day it is planned, right? Jay saying, I am designing a large capacity concert hall in Nashik. Can inaugurate it with your event. क्या बात है जय, why not? फक्त आम्हाला आमंत्रण द्या चांगलं, आम्ही येतो. Oh, it's almost 10:15. Last 2-3 questions. HDFC is at an all-time high. Do we need to book partial profit as I'm sitting with 20% profit? See, I always say that whenever we are in pullbacks, in corrections, we should understand that these are typically sell-on rise markets. Okay, so this is not only about HDFC Bank again. Typically, what happens? So again, understand. For me, there are some stocks which are a part of my core portfolio. I would not even think about booking profits in that. But if it's a part of my satellite portfolio, which is like a short term or a medium term portfolio, in such cases, any rise that I see, I use that as an opportunity to exit. Okay. So you can check whether it's a part of your core portfolio or a satellite portfolio. If it's a core portfolio, hardly matters. Absolutely, very well. I mean, good you reminded. I can see many spam sponsors on Instagram with your name seen in one of the LinkedIn posts, as well as Ankur explained that it's not real and spammers. Absolutely, lot of spams happening in. I mean, lot of frauds happening in my name. Unfortunately, fraudsters are also using deepfake technology, AI. I have seen a lot of videos where I have not done the video, but using some technology, basically tools like HeyGen, it's like a text to video format. So things that I've not spoken, it seems that I'm speaking, but then how do you identify whether it's a genuine ad or not? Simple. If it's my advertisement, I would be talking about my courses. Okay, I'm a teacher. I would never sell any stock recommendations, but I would definitely encourage all my viewers, all my subscribers to upskill themselves. And to do that, of course, I always say this. There was a person who came up to me and said that, how can you charge for courses? Knowledge should be free. I said, yes, of course, knowledge is free. My YouTube has more than 1,000 videos. Please consume all those videos. I'm sure you'll get a lot of knowledge. What do I charge for in my courses? I charge for simplified concepts, and that too in a very systematic manner. What happens in YouTube is that it's scattered knowledge. Today I'll talk about Nifty, tomorrow I'll talk about some personal finance topic, day after tomorrow I may talk about some mutual fund, whatever. But when I'm talking about a specific course, let's say basics of stock market, the entire course will be designed in a way that cut. You know all the concepts, and in 16 hours you'll be done. So you're paying for the time that you saved for learning some specific concept, and in a perfect manner, in a step-by-step manner, in a very logical sequence. So any advertisement of mine, that will be definitely about my courses and nothing else. The moment you see this stock went up by so much percent and see how much profit you would have made, that's not my advertisement for sure. क्या बात है, I've completed 12 class this year and I have done your basics of stock market. Now should I start fundamental or technical? क्या बात है Shamit? Ideally you should start fundamental analysis first and then go ahead with technical analysis. क्या बात है हेमन जी? We will plan for sure. We'll discuss and we'll plan. Okay. Right. Sterling Tools chart. Great. Looks great, ma'am. Multi-year breakout. Let's check. Even I have not checked it. Sterling Tools. Okay. Sterling Tools. monthly time frame. It is a breakout, no doubts on that. Okay, so if you see here, there's a nice breakout. We did see a retest, and from that also it's going strong. Wow, 31% rally in this month. I'm not sure what does the company do. Volumes are also very good. Interesting one. Anyone who wants to, understand, would definitely recommend everyone to do the fundamental analysis of this stock. I always say that whenever you are considering any stock, please don't do only technical analysis. At least know what does the company do. That will give you more conviction while you take your decision, right? But chart wise, it is very good, Kshitij, for sure. Very nice. Aptus Housing Finance, head and shoulder pattern breakdown. Noticed your views. Okay, Aptus Housing Finance. Wait, I'll go to the weekly pattern maybe. But no, I mean, you can say that it's in a range right now. So if I were to ignore some tops, it has been in a range per se. Even these breakdowns, it's going nowhere. It's totally sideways. Not very interesting. PFC is making higher high, higher low. Yes, absolutely. अरे बापरे, मनोज काय म्हणायचं नक्की? बेंगलोरगे खंडितवगी बरुटेवे. उद्या सांग मला काय म्हणायचंय मनोज तुला. He's from my team and he's saying something in Kannada. सांग रे उद्या काय. Okay, new members joining in. As I mentioned, on the 30th, I'll be talking about the stock of the month, and on 5th, as usual, the stock of the month video will be released. Oof. No, I don't want to do Hargar Investor on YouTube. YouTube, anyways, I do every Thursday. I do live stream. What is different? Hargar Investor has to be live. Vodafone Idea, I don't like that stock. Fundamentally, it's not at all good. Any other quick question? JN Tata Auditorium in Bangalore. Pooja, if you can just write this down, JN Tata Auditorium. Okay. Chalo, one last question maybe. Dr. Saab is saying, me joined recently, eager to learn much to fill my empty cup. Array, sir, you'll be able to learn a lot. Power Finance is a fundamentally strong stock, no doubts on that. If you feel you want to add, always remember that you have to check the support levels. Just to give you some quick idea on PFC. Why today so many people are asking about PFC. Power Finance and REC both generally go hand in hand. Oh, sorry. I'll go on a daily chart. So this is the range in which it is playing right now. I would want this to go a little bit up. This is also one more. So this is a kind of a choke point, is what I feel. This is based on the immediate previous swing highs. Even if I ignore this, it is at a resistance right now, clearly at a resistance right now. I'll just zoom in, you can easily see it by yourself. Look at this. This was the breakdown candle. Even if I were to take it back, saw support, struggled, breakdown. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here today also 7. So pretty important resistance level, 500 rupees, round figure as well. So definitely a resistance. All right. Achha, you want a clue? It is from NBFC sector. Coimbatore is near Bangalore. You can stop here also. Yes. All right. I think this is it. 10:15. Dinanath Mangeshkar in Mumbai. Okay. I'll definitely note it down. And I think this is it. Absolutely. Chalo. Thank you everyone for joining in. I will see you on the next Thursday. Uske baad, I'm going for a break. After a long time, I'm going purely to enjoy. I'm going out of India, going to New Zealand, and we will be there for almost 2.5 weeks. 2 weeks, I think, a little bit over 2 weeks maybe. So going to enjoy New Zealand. So next Thursday, of course, we do have a live stream. I will be there. I'll be here in Pune on the 5th, but 12th and 19th, I'm not here if I'm not mistaken. So 12th and 19th will not have the live stream, but we'll enjoy for some days. Sagar says, happy journey, man. Thank you. Getting a lot of thank yous and happy journeys in the comment section. All right. Acha, Dubai. I'm getting this on Instagram. Dubai also. Yes. We'll plan Hargar Investor everywhere. Vikas is saying, tell me about your course. We will pin the course link in the comment section. Also, 9022196678 is the number of my support team, just in case if you face any doubt while enrolling for the courses, definitely you can ask my team and they'll guide you out, right? Before I stop for the day, Shreyas, then Knowledge Central, Vivek, Jyoti, then Shamit, Anburaj, Raja Sekar, Pawan, and Somesh all have joined memberships. So welcome to memberships. And I'll see you all in the next Must Watch Northern Lights in New Zealand. I'm hearing this for the first time. I always thought that it's in the Scandinavian part. Anyways, Asil tar bagin. Okay. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.